Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about how we can convert numbers from one form to another. That is nothing but how we can convert binary, hexadecimal, octal number to integer form as well as integer number to binary, hexa and octal form. So to do this we'll use built-in functions. So today in this tutorial we'll discuss about int function, bin function, oct function, hex function. Okay, so first we'll begin with the int function. This int function will convert any strings or number to integer form. Okay, so if you want to know more about this int function, then just type help and int. Okay, int is a built-in function, so we'll get all the information about this int function here. Alright, so it will convert a number or string to an integer or return 0 if no arguments are given. So if x is a number, it will return the integer part of that number. If x is not a number, then this is the scenario. Okay, so first we'll see how we can convert binary number to integer. So I'll take the example as 1010. This is the binary representation of integer 10. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take int and here I'll write 1010. If I enter, it will give 1010 only because here we didn't mention the base, but it will treat this as the value of decimal number system, that is 1010, so it will return 1010. So we need to mention we are writing the binary number, right? So for that we can use a prefix called 0b. Next I can write 1010. Okay, and if I enter now, it will give 10. By seeing this prefix, it will get to know it is an binary value, so it will convert that binary value to integer. Okay, this is the one way. Or the next way is you can mention the base. Okay, here we need to mention the numbers in the double quotes as a string. Okay, next here I need to mention the base as 2 because binary numbers base are 2, so I need to mention 2. So it will get to know that it is the binary number, so it will convert that to integer number. Okay, or you can mention like this also, 0b 1010 and base 2. Okay, this is the way to convert the binary number to integer. So next we'll see how to convert octal numbers to integer. Okay, so for that also we'll use int function, and here I need to mention the octal number. The prefix for octal number is 0 and O. Okay, next you can mention the octal number here. If I mention 100, okay, so I want to convert this octal number to integer, then that is the octal representation of value 64. Okay, so another way is you can mention as a string, and here you need to mention the base as 8 because the base of octal number is 8, right? That's 64. Okay, so in this way we can convert octal numbers to integer. Next, if I want to convert hexadecimal to integer, then the prefix is 0x. Okay, this is the prefix for hexadecimal number, and I'll mention 8e. Okay, so if I enter, this is the hexadecimal representation of 142. This is the one way. Second way is, and here I need to mention the base. Here base is 16 because these are the hexadecimal numbers. Okay, so in this way we can convert binary, octal, hexadecimal value to integer form. Next we can see how we can convert integer number to binary, octal and hexadecimal form. Okay, so now if I want to convert any integer number to binary, then I can use the built-in function called bin. Okay, so this is the built-in function. It will convert the integer to binary form. So if you want to know help and bin, So here we can see it will return the binary representation of an integer. Okay, so here is an example also. It will return the string. Okay, so if I want to see the binary representation of 10, so this is the binary representation of 10. So if I want to check 1000, so this is the binary representation of 1000. Okay, next I want to convert integer number to octal form. So for that we'll use oct. Okay, oct function. This is the built-in function. So if you want to know about this, okay, this is the built-in function. It will convert any integer value to octal representation, and here is an example. Okay, so we'll take another example if you want. So I'll take 142. Okay, this is the octal representation of 142. Or if I take 100, octal representation of 100 is 144. So next, if I want to convert integer value to hexadecimal form, then we can use the function called hex. Okay, so which will convert the integer number to hexadecimal form. If you want to know more about this, then help of x, and here we can see it will convert the integer value to hexadecimal representation, and the output will be a string. And here we can see an example. If I want to check hexadecimal representation of 100. Okay, so this is about the 4 built-in function and how we can convert the number from one form to another. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.